Hey everyone, hope you all are having another great day. Listen up, we are going to be at Matt's, the Mid-America Truck Show, March 30th to April 1st. Come hang out with us, meet us if you haven't already. We're going to be there in the West Wing along with the Panther Premium Logistics Group, also hanging out with Hyfield Trucking as well as a bunch of staff from Hyfield. Come check it out. It's going to be a huge event. It is the trucking show of the year. Again, March 30th to April 1st. All information is at www.truckingshow.com. Hope to see you there.